This video covers the last portion of set commands. We'll go through them. Future videos will show added functionality or changes. I won't review what we've already covered. So we'll do a set power off. This power off and power on function only works when the radio is not connected to a battery. That means the battery must not be in the radio and it must have a DC power source or this will not function correctly. Shut off the radio. Turn the radio back on. And the radio is back on. Push to talk is the next one. And push to talk is currently on. Radio is transmitting. And push to talk has been shut off. Restore EEPROM is a function that I've added in the event that an area of memory becomes corrupt, and I write a specific value, which is the default settings that could be found in the book, to the area or address that may have been corrupted, and this helps you come back to the initial configuration for that memory address. I'll show you an example. If I do a EEPROM 5F right now shows a value of E5. I could change that value by toggle RF gain. If I were to look at the value, I happen to know that this memory address is directly related to toggle RF gain. You can see that the bit for RF gain, which is bit number 7, 0 through 7 right here, has been changed to 0. I could change it back using toggle RF gain, but that wouldn't really show what I'm trying to do in the example. So I could do a set restore EEPROM 5F. And it will also show me other things that were affected. These are the default values. I will tell you admittedly that the default value for 5F is RF gain. I've made the default value squelch because it's easier to work on the radio in the squelch mode. This can also affect other memory addresses such as ARTs that I've implemented, and basically anything that writes to the radio, to the EEPROM, can be brought back. I have a list of it. It's published on CPAN and you can see it there. I'll go more into that in another video. It would take quite a while. So I can go to the next command, set split freak enable, and I could also disable it if I wanted to. Toggle RF gain you've already seen, and if we look at the VFO, it's currently set for A. I could toggle that VFO. And if I look again, the VFO is set to B. And that covers all of the existing commands. I'll provide more updates as changes are made. I just wanted to cover the basics on this. Thanks for watching.